Did you know that between 1.5 and 2.5 million tons of plastic waste from the United States enters the ocean annually? At Bionox, we've wondered why so few companies in the supplement and health industry have moved away from plastics that contribute to this problem. The answer, surprisingly, isn't technical, it's political. Through years of collaboration with our manufacturing partners, scientists, and industry experts, we have discovered that big recycling has lobbied governments to halt the development of many types of biodegradable plastics in similar technologies. They have even redefined the word biodegradable to mean something that breaks down within 12 months. This definition absurdly excludes things like trees, coconuts, and even some leaves. The reason for this is simple. Many new technologies designed to stop microplastics and to break down into harmless materials in the ocean take about 12 months to degrade. In contrast, conventional plastics persist in the environment for hundreds of years without breaking down. So why oppose this technology? Well, like always, it's all about money. With feedback and support from our global partners and extensive research into all available solutions, we have chosen bio bottles. Well, we can't label them as biodegradable due to these regulations. We can say this: our bio bottles transform into harmless, organic material over a period of about 12 months or more when exposed to the elements, water, and sun. They leave behind no microplastics, and the material is safe, tested, and proven. If you support our oceans, we salute you. With Bionox products, you can be confident that we are not part of the problem. We are part of the solution.